Welcome back to Farming Discovery Quest. Let's explore the fascinating world of machinery applications in agriculture that are being implemented globally. You are witnessing the process of digging peanuts, which is a crucial step that not only helps in harvesting, but also ensures that the peanuts are dried and well prepared for the next steps in processing. After being dug up, the peanuts are carefully turned over and left to dry under the sun. This drying process is essential as it reduces the moisture content of the peanuts, making them easier to shell and store. Properly digging peanuts helps minimize losses during the harvest. Using modern machinery and proper techniques ensures that the peanuts are not damaged and maintain the best quality. The machinery gently lifts the peanut plants from the soil, shaking off excess dirt, and then lays them out in rows for drying. This method helps to preserve the integrity of the peanuts and prevents them from being crushed or bruised. Once the peanuts are sufficiently dried, they are collected and taken to the next stage of processing, which involves shelling and further cleaning. In a lush green field, farmers are pulling up fresh red radishes and gently placing them on a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt slowly transports the radishes to a water tank for cleaning. The diligent farmers carefully wash each radish and then place them into trays. This process not only ensures that the radishes are clean, but also maintains their freshness, ready for delicious meals. Red radishes are not only a tasty ingredient, but also offer numerous health benefits. This is the ideal solution for automating weighing and filling processes, enhancing both efficiency and accuracy in production. By automating repetitive tasks, the machine ensures high precision in weight measurements and product counting, giving you peace of mind about quality and performance. Robots picking mushrooms from 4AG Robotics are intelligent and sophisticated machines that use a machine vision system to identify and target each mushroom. This system helps the robots accurately determine which mushrooms are ripe and ready for picking. But it doesn't stop there. The robots also use artificial intelligence, AI, to decide which mushrooms to pick, when to pick them, and how to detach them perfectly. Equipped with specialized suction and gripping tools, the robots gently harvest the mushrooms without damaging them. After harvesting, the fresh mushrooms are placed into boxes according to preset weights, ensuring uniformity and the highest quality. A banding machine with automatic feeding is designed to bundle products or packages together using straps or tape. The machine automatically takes the strap from the roll, positions it for the banding process, and then automatically bands the strap around the product or package, ensuring they are securely and safely bundled. With this automation feature, the machine helps save time, effort, and ensures high efficiency in the packaging process. In the vast field, the KCH2150S planter is working powerfully, sowing each soybean seed into the soil with precision and consistency. With advanced technology, this planter ensures that each seed is placed at the ideal depth and spacing. To achieve this, the soil needs to be thoroughly tilled and adequately fertilized before planting, ensuring the soybeans have the best environment to grow. The seeds must be large, round, and undamaged to ensure a high germination rate. The planter also needs to be adjusted to the correct depth and spacing between seeds, allowing the soybeans enough space to develop. The Kleiser VR machine uses specialized cutting tools to trim excess grass or material under guardrails. This process is gentle to avoid damaging the road surface, guardrails, and the machine itself. This helps prevent water from pooling on the road, which can cause flooding and damage. By automating this process, the Kleiser VR helps maintain road safety, reduces the need for manual labor, and ensures that water can flow off the road efficiently. Megson Robot Egg Palletizing is an automated robot designed to stack and pack eggs onto pallets. With fully automated capabilities, this robot can handle tens of thousands of eggs per hour without human intervention. Its compact design and safety features allow it to operate efficiently in various workspaces. Using the Megson robot egg palletizing not only saves time and effort, but also ensures quality and increases productivity in egg handling. Harvesting soybeans at the optimal time is crucial to achieving the highest yield and quality. Soybeans should be harvested when the moisture content of the seeds is around 13%, which helps minimize losses due to seed breakage and ensures seed quality. The PMC 979 machine uses advanced techniques to harvest soybeans efficiently, with the ability to adjust speed and cutting depth to match the actual field conditions. As a result, the PMC 979 can harvest large quantities of soybeans in a short time, increasing productivity and efficiency. Grass growing on the ground can impede water drainage during heavy rainfall, leading to the risk of flooding. When water cannot drain quickly, it accumulates and causes serious problems for the drainage system and the surrounding environment. To address this issue, a mowing basket is a specialized machine used to cut the grass growing on the ground and then place it back on the bank. This process involves the mowing basket moving along the ditch, cutting the excess vegetation, and then collecting it. After cutting, the grass is placed back on the ditch bank, helping to maintain water flow in the ditch and prevent blockages. Potatoes are harvested using the Grimm GT 1700 potato harvester, which harvests 2 rows of potatoes at a time. In front of the tractor, there is a Grimm defoliator to cut the potato leaves. The potato harvester will sift out the soil and leaves from the potatoes before they are loaded into the truck. The truck will then transport the potatoes back to the farm. At the farm, the potatoes are dumped into a storage bin. The storage bin will remove the soil and small potatoes. Through conveyor belts, the potatoes are neatly transported into the storage facility. The final step is carried out by a storage loader, which can move from left to right, extend and retract, and move up and down to place the potatoes in the correct position. The paddy straw bales cutting solution is an effective method for handling and managing paddy straw after rice harvesting. The paddy straw bales cutting machine is a specialized machine designed to cut and shred paddy straw into smaller pieces, making it easier to handle and transport. Using the paddy straw bales cutting machine helps reduce the burning of paddy straw, a method that causes severe environmental pollution. Instead, the paddy straw can be used as organic fertilizer or raw material for other production processes. After being cut into smaller pieces, the paddy straw can be used in various applications such as animal feed, biofuel, or raw material for paper production and other products. At a farm in Japan, cabbages are harvested using rotating blades, and the cabbages are conveyed up to where farmers are waiting to continue processing. The farmers will inspect each cabbage, remove any damaged leaves, and arrange them into containers. This process not only saves time and effort, but also ensures that the cabbages are harvested and processed quickly and efficiently, maintaining the freshness and quality of the product. Rexor 6300 is a technological masterpiece in the field of agricultural harvesting, developed by the renowned company Grimm. This modern harvester is designed to meet the needs of efficient harvesting and optimal crop protection. With the ability to harvest 6 rows simultaneously and a container capacity of up to 45 milliquarters, the Rexor 6300 is truly a powerful and reliable machine. With the capability to harvest 6 rows at once, the Rexor 6300 can handle a large volume of crops in a short amount of time. The unique elevator with a deep pocket design helps increase throughput by 25%, improving the gentle handling of crops. Rexor 6300 is commonly used to harvest crops such as sugar beets, chicory roots, and celery roots, providing flexibility and efficiency for farmers. The Ortomec harvester is in action on the fields of Spain, efficiently harvesting lettuces. This advanced machine moves smoothly across the rows, carefully cutting and collecting the lettuces with precision. The harvested lettuces are then gently placed onto a conveyor belt, ensuring minimal damage and maintaining their quality. The Ortomec harvester showcases its capability to handle large volumes of produce quickly and effectively. making it an invaluable tool for farmers in Spain. Visiting a potato farm in Germany, we witnessed the SE7555 potato harvester in action. The machine efficiently separates the potatoes from the haulm, the stems and leaves of the potato plant, ensuring a clean harvest while adapting to various soil conditions and crop varieties. The potatoes are carefully transported to the bunker via a wide picking table, minimizing damage and bruising. Soil, debris, and excess roots are removed. Farmers meticulously inspect the potatoes, discarding any that do not meet quality standards or those with soil or stones attached. The harvester boasts a 5.5-ton bunker, enabling extended harvesting periods without the need for frequent unloading. Beyond potatoes, the SE7555 can also harvest other vegetables, depending on the cultivation method. The cabbage harvester operates like a surgeon in the field, gently lifting each cabbage head from the ground, then carefully positioning them for the root cutting system to operate precisely, ensuring no damage to this valuable vegetable. The operated cabbages are then transported onto a conveyor belt, where a farmer is stationed to meticulously inspect each head. Any leaves showing signs of pests or damage are promptly removed, ensuring only the freshest and healthiest cabbages are placed into wooden crates for transport to the packaging facility. The cutting height can be adjusted on the go, ensuring a perfect cut every time, no matter the cabbage variety or ground conditions. A single machine can replace an entire team of hand pickers, saving farmers from strenuous labor and increasing overall efficiency. Robust and reliable, these machines can harvest hundreds of tons of cabbage per day, season after season, contributing to the supply of food rich in fiber and prebiotics, promoting a healthy digestive system for consumers worldwide, especially in major cabbage-producing countries such as China, India, Russia, South Korea, and Ukraine. The discarded leaves are left in the field to decompose naturally, enriching the soil for future crops. The RCC060 harvester is diligently harvesting onions in a field in Brazil. With its intelligent design and advanced features, this machine offers numerous benefits to its users. The machine's harvesting unit, with its meticulous design, gently lifts each onion bulb from the ground, preventing any damage to their delicate skin. On the sorting conveyor belt, farmers carefully inspect each onion, removing any that do not meet the required size and shape or any unwanted materials. Afterwards, they are transferred to a gentle shaking unit to remove any remaining dirt, sand, and loose skin. A truck stands ready nearby, prepared to transport them immediately to the storage facility, ensuring no time is wasted and the freshness of the produce is preserved. Celery is not sown directly into the soil, but is typically planted through a process known as transplanting. Once the celery has developed 3 to 4 true leaves, it is ready to be planted into the soil. Celery is typically harvested between 70 and 120 days after planting, depending on weather conditions, the variety of celery, and cultivation practices. To achieve the best results, celery should be grown in cool weather, and the soil must be consistently moist. You may observe skilled farmers hand harvesting the celery. They gently lift the plant from the base to avoid damaging the roots and stalks. They cut the base of the stalk right below the ground surface. If the stalk is too large, they will cut individual branches. There is a water hose at the harvest site to preliminarily clean the soil off the celery before it is transported to the factory. This method reduces reliance on manual labor by gently uprooting the celery plants. The roots are then systematically removed and the plants are cleaned on a conveyor belt. Machinery can harvest much faster than manual methods, allowing farmers to cover larger areas in a shorter amount of time. The use of machinery also reduces the number of workers needed for the harvesting process, thereby lowering labor costs. The X16 nut harvester, a benchmark in the industry for harvesting walnuts, hazelnuts, pecans, chestnuts, macadamias, and even apples, efficiently navigates the terrain, approaching the designated harvest area. It employs a large cylindrical gathering unit equipped with rubber brushes to gently sweep and collect fallen nuts from the ground. These brushes ensure that even the smallest nuts are gathered effectively without causing any damage. An internal helical rotor within the gathering unit then transports the collected nuts into the cleaning system. This walnut harvesting machine is giving satisfaction all over the world. Australia is using many X16 harvesters for the macadamia industry. Have you ever wondered how those walnuts end up scattered on the ground, ready for the X16 to collect? They employ a machine commonly known as a walnut shaker. With its powerful mechanical arms, it gently embraces the trunk of the walnut tree and gives it a subtle shake, awakening the walnuts that are slumbering on the high branches. Visiting an apple orchard in Herefordshire, England, we witnessed the SFM Samurai self-propelled apple harvester in action. Capable of harvesting an impressive 150 tons of apples per day. The fallen apples on the orchard floor are no longer left waiting. Instead, they are gently sucked under the machine. There, a conveyor belt awaits, carrying the apples in a continuous stream into a spacious container. Meanwhile, fallen leaves are blown back into the orchard by a powerful gust of air from the machine. The Samurai can harvest a large quantity of apples in a short time, significantly saving time and labor. It is widely used in commercial apple orchards worldwide and is especially valuable during peak harvest season. Visiting a sweet potato farm, we witnessed the impressive sight of the ASA lift harvester in action. The machine's sharp yet gentle digging blade delves into the soil, skillfully lifting the entire row of sweet potatoes without causing any damage to the tubers. Subsequently, a conveyor system transports all the sweet potatoes to a sorting table, where skilled farmers meticulously select only those that meet the required size and quality standards. These premium sweet potatoes are then transferred into containers on a transport vehicle, ready to reach consumers or processing plants, providing a rich source of nutrients for everyone. The DeWolf ZKIV is one of the most advanced carrot harvesting machines on the market. Its powerful and precise cutting blades efficiently extract carrots from the soil. Designed for swift operation, these blades minimize damage to the carrots, ensuring a high-quality harvest. After being lifted from the soil, the carrots are immediately transferred to the cutting machine, which separates the tops and removes any excess soil. This ensures that the carrots are prepared for further processing efficiently. The tops are removed directly in the field to reduce the amount of debris and excess material that needs to be handled later. This process helps to streamline the harvesting workflow and improve overall efficiency. The harvested carrots are promptly transferred to bins and then immediately transported to the processing plant. The DeWolf ZKIV is a high-performance carrot harvester capable of processing between 4 to 6 tons of carrots per hour. This efficiency can vary based on soil conditions and the speed at which the machine operates. The harvester is powered by a robust diesel engine with a power output ranging from approximately 150 to 200 horsepower. The price for the DeWolf ZKIV generally falls between $150,000 and $250,000, depending on the model's specific configurations and optional features. Now join us as we visit a cucumber farm in West Texas. This region's climate is ideal for producing high-quality cucumbers, contributing significantly to the United States' overall cucumber production. In fact, the U.S. grows over 1.1 million tons of cucumbers each year, with Texas playing a key role in this agricultural sector. The unique environmental conditions in West Texas help ensure a thriving cucumber crop, supporting both local farms and the larger pickle industry. The Vogel cucumber harvesting machine is designed to enhance efficiency and minimize manual labor. It typically processes around 5 to 10 tons of cucumbers per hour, depending on the model and field conditions. Advanced picking technology, including vibrating or shaking mechanisms, helps separate cucumbers from the plant while handling them gently to minimize damage. After harvesting, the cucumbers are transported directly to the processing plant, where they are thoroughly cleaned. Workers then perform a second sorting to ensure that only the highest quality cucumbers are selected for further processing. This process helps remove any substandard cucumbers and guarantees that only the best ones move forward in the production line. Cucumbers are first marinated and soaked in a brine or vinegar solution, allowing them to absorb the flavors and develop their distinctive taste. Once they have reached the desired flavor profile, the cucumbers are placed into clean, sterilized jars or containers for packaging. Best Made differentiates itself from other pickle producers in Texas by using cucumbers that are grown right here in the state. This local touch ensures that their pickles, made from Texas-grown cucumbers, boast a more intense flavor compared to many other brands. From the moment banana bunches appear until harvest, they are wrapped in plastic to shield them from pests, sunlight, and excess pesticides. Additional cushioning layers prevent bruising and reduce brown spots, while ventilation holes support proper growth. After harvest, the banana plant leaves are cut and left to decompose, enriching the soil. The harvesting process uses a globally recognized pulley system, widely applied for various fruits. This efficient method starts with installing a fixed cable network across the farm, supported by robust elliptical metal frames specifically designed to withstand heavy loads. Cables are securely attached to these frames, with pulleys featuring dual wheels mounted on them. These pulleys are interconnected by cables and move together at a consistent speed, ensuring smooth operation. Power for the system can be supplied by various sources, including tractors or motorcycles. Once the engine is engaged, the system effectively pulls heavy banana bunches toward the processing area. There, the bananas are thoroughly cleaned and cut into smaller hands for further processing. The transportation system's durability allows it to be used year-round and makes it adaptable for other tasks such as transporting fertilizer. Additionally, the pulley system reduces the risk of damage to banana bunches that can occur with manual handling or impacts. By significantly cutting down both transportation and harvesting times, this method maintains high-quality produce, which is crucial for crops that require swift harvesting. Compared to traditional methods, such as manual carrying or using heavy carts, which can be labor-intensive and challenging, especially when navigating ditches or dealing with rainy weather, the pulley system significantly reduces effort and labor. One drawback of the pulley system is its relatively high initial investment cost. However, in the long run, it offers substantial economic benefits through increased efficiency and reduced labor costs. The RT-1700 sweet potato harvester employs a sophisticated series of processes meticulously designed to optimize efficiency and reduce crop damage. The RT-1700 features either a digging blade or a set of tines that are instrumental in loosening the soil surrounding the sweet potatoes. These components are precisely engineered to penetrate the soil at the correct depth, carefully lifting the sweet potatoes from their bed. The design of the digging blade, or tines, ensures that the sweet potatoes are gently dislodged, minimizing the risk of bruising or breaking. Once the soil is loosened, it is separated from the sweet potatoes through a series of conveyor belts or screens integrated into the harvester. The conveyor belts are equipped with strategically placed screens that sift out the excess soil and debris. This separation process effectively cleans the sweet potatoes, removing any remaining soil particles and ensuring that only clean, high-quality produce is processed. Once the soil is removed, the cleaned sweet potatoes are transported via the harvester's conveyor system. This system efficiently moves the sweet potatoes to waiting trucks, which helps save time and ensures the produce is handled promptly and effectively. By streamlining the transfer process, the sweet potatoes are kept in optimal condition as they are either stored in a warehouse or dispatched to distribution points. Overall, the Massey RT 1700 is engineered for efficient sweet potato harvesting, incorporating features that significantly reduce manual labor and improve the quality of the harvested crop. Its advanced design ensures a smooth and effective harvesting process, contributing to higher productivity and better preservation of the sweet potatoes. The Gregoire GL 7.4 is a modern grape harvester designed for efficiency and precision in vineyard operations. The harvester is designed to straddle vine rows, allowing it to move seamlessly through the vineyard. Adjustable settings ensure it can accommodate different vine heights and row widths. The machine is guided down the rows, with sensors and controls allowing it to adjust automatically to the terrain and vine placement for optimal harvesting. The key to harvesting grapes is the shaking mechanism. The Gregoire GL 7.4 is equipped with oscillating rods, also called bow rods, that gently shake the grapevines. These rods vibrate at specific frequencies, causing the ripe grapes to detach from the vines without damaging the fruit or the vines themselves. This process is carefully controlled to target only the ripened grapes, leaving unripe ones on the vine. As the grapes are gently shaken free from the vines, they fall onto collecting plates positioned at the base of the machine. These plates are specially designed to cushion the fall, minimizing any potential damage to the fruit. Once on the collecting plates, the grapes are carefully transferred onto conveyor belts, which transport them smoothly to the next stage of the process, such as cleaning and sorting. With its high capacity and steady pace, the Gregoire GL 7.4 is perfectly suited for large-scale vineyard operations, ensuring efficient harvesting without compromising the quality of the grapes. The olive is a crop native to the Mediterranean region, with a history spanning over 5,000 years in human civilization. Olives have long been a symbol of peace and prosperity, while also serving as a crucial food source in the diets of many nations, especially within the Mediterranean. The Oxbow 6420 is a self-propelled olive harvester built for high-efficiency harvesting in large-scale operations. It employs a canopy shaking system that gently vibrates the olive trees, causing only the ripe olives to fall. These olives land on specially designed collection plates that minimize bruising and damage. Once collected, the olives are transferred via a conveyor system to a high-capacity hopper, allowing for extended harvesting without frequent stops to unload. The machine's ergonomic, air-conditioned operator cabin ensures comfort during long work hours while its durable construction is designed to handle rough terrain and long harvesting seasons. This combination of features makes the Oxbow 6420 an ideal solution for large olive orchards, significantly reducing labor and improving harvest efficiency. A huge wheat field. Due to its vast size, a powerful monster machine is needed for harvesting. Wheat has a high yield, and to ensure efficient harvesting, modern machines like the New Holland CR11 with a 15.2-meter MacDon flex draper are ideal. These machines not only help harvest quickly, but also preserve the quality of the wheat. The United States produces about 50 million tons of wheat each year, with the main harvest season running from June to August. These vast wheat fields contribute significantly to that production. The use of modern machines helps optimize the harvesting process, minimize losses, and protect the quality of the product. The New Holland CR11, paired with a 15.2-meter MacDon flex draper, is specifically designed for wheat harvesting. This combination allows for a wide cutting width, maximizing the amount of wheat harvested in a single pass. The CR11's advanced technology includes features like automatic header height control and an active float system, which helps the header to float over ground fluctuations, maintaining consistent cutting height and reducing crop loss. This ensures that the wheat is harvested efficiently and with minimal damage. Nunez Vineyard Management is a premium vineyard management and development company based in Napa, California. Once the optimal harvest time has been determined, they harvest by hand. This method is preferred because it minimizes damage to the grapes and allows for selective picking. Skilled workers use pruning shears to carefully cut each bunch of grapes from the vine. The bunches are then gently placed in containers or small crates to avoid crushing and bruising. After the initial harvest, the grapes are sorted to remove any bunches that do not meet quality standards, such as those that are unripe, overripe, or damaged. This meticulous process ensures that only the highest quality grapes are used to produce wine. The harvested grapes are then transported quickly to the winery to maintain freshness. At the winery, the grapes are processed, including destemming, crushing, and fermentation, all under controlled conditions to produce fine wines. This is a modified lawnmower designed specifically for harvesting lavender, with several special improvements to suit lavender harvesting. The lavender harvester is equipped with an adjustable cutting head, allowing it to cut the flowers at the ideal height without damaging the plants. The machine also features a conveyor system to gently and quickly transfer the cut flowers into containers, reducing the time and effort compared to hand harvesting. The best time to harvest lavender is when about 40 to 50% of the plant's flower buds have opened. This usually occurs in early to mid-spring. Harvesting in the morning, after the dew has evaporated but before the sun gets too hot, helps retain the essential oils in the flowers. Using a lavender harvester is much more efficient and less labor-intensive compared to traditional hand harvesting. It speeds up the process, reduces the need for a large workforce, and ensures consistent quality. The process of growing and harvesting sugar beets typically takes 5 to 7 months. Sugar beets are most commonly grown in temperate regions such as the United States, Russia, Germany, France, and Poland. In the initial stage, sugar beet seeds are sown in the spring and require regular watering to ensure germination and growth. Once the sugar beet plants have matured sufficiently, the harvesting process begins in the fall. Sugar beet harvesting with the self-propelled Agrifac ZA215EH is a highly efficient process. This machine, equipped with a powerful 364 horsepower DAF engine, can handle 6 rows of sugar beets simultaneously. It features a Kleinetopper and Sebaco's own lifting gear, ensuring precise and clean lifting of the beets from the soil. The Agrifac ZA215EH is designed to operate smoothly, even in challenging conditions, thanks to its robust build and advanced technology 12. In the watermelon fields, farmers work together in a well-coordinated effort. They carefully pick the ripe watermelons and pass them hand to hand in a seamless chain. Each farmer ensures the fruit is handled gently to avoid any damage. The watermelons are then placed onto a conveyor belt, which efficiently transports them to the collection area. This method not only speeds up the harvesting process, but also maintains the quality of the watermelons. Watermelon harvesting involves several key steps to ensure the fruit is picked at its peak ripeness and quality. Farmers first determine ripeness by checking the color of the ground spot and the tendrils near the fruit. Once confirmed, they cut the watermelon from the vine and pass it hand to hand to a collection point. In larger operations, conveyor belts are used to transport the watermelons to a central area for sorting and packing. After harvesting, the watermelons are quickly cooled and stored to maintain freshness. This process ensures that watermelons reach consumers in the best possible condition. A mushroom harvesting machine, designed for canneries, is a highly efficient piece of equipment that automates the process of picking mushrooms. These machines are equipped with advanced technology to ensure precise and clean harvesting. The machine typically features a side cutter that trims the mushrooms from the sides of the beds and directs them to the middle. This method ensures that the mushrooms are harvested without damage, maintaining their quality for canning. The harvested mushrooms are then transported via conveyor belts to the processing area, where they are cleaned, sorted, and prepared for canning. This automated process significantly reduces the labor required and increases the efficiency of mushroom harvesting, making it ideal for large-scale operations. Agrobot is an innovative robotic strawberry picker designed to improve efficiency and precision in strawberry farming. It features independent robotic arms that work together, equipped with advanced sensors and AI technology to assess fruit ripeness, ensuring only the best strawberries are harvested. Harvested strawberries are carefully transported on a conveyor belt, where they are immediately packaged to preserve their freshness and quality. This swift process ensures that the strawberries remain in optimal condition from the field to the packaging, minimizing handling and reducing the risk of damage. Strawberry picking can be a physically demanding job. However, the owner of Green Door Gourmet has invented a machine to help reduce back pain for farm workers who pick strawberries by hand. This machine resembles a rolling bed, allowing workers to lie face down and extend their arms and hands to the ground to pick strawberries comfortably and efficiently. Workers no longer need to constantly bend over, which helps minimize pain and fatigue. This machine not only improves working conditions but also increases harvest productivity, ensuring that strawberries are picked quickly and remain fresh. Each year, the United States produces about 1.5 million tons of strawberries, with the main harvest season occurring from April to June. The introduction of such machines plays a crucial role in maintaining and enhancing production while protecting the health of workers. The Limac PO150 is an innovative harvester that ensures pumpkins are collected directly from the field and placed into boxes without any damage, preserving their quality for storage. One of its standout features is the fully automatic box filling system, which can accommodate any box size, making it an invaluable tool for farmers looking to streamline their harvesting process. With an impressive average capacity of 3 to 4 hectares per day, the Limac PO150 requires only 2 operators to achieve this efficiency. This not only boosts productivity, but also significantly reduces labor costs and physical strain on workers. The machine gently handles delicate pumpkins using a soft handling mechanism, cushioned conveyors, and precise control systems. It automatically fills boxes without dropping or damaging the pumpkins, ensuring they remain in perfect condition. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more farm and agricultural technology insights. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.